Just got back from a quick drive and jumped in this Toyota. Have to say, for a lifted truck, this is a good driving truck. Just went down the highway at 75 miles an hour with no tire shake, no shimmies, which is the way it should be. This truck was built very well, and we have gone over it through the off-road shop just to make sure everything's proper. Toyo open country mud terrain tires on KMCXD wheels, Fox shocks. This truck is 34.9, just tripped 100,000 miles, 2016. It was locally owned, traded in directly to us. It should have a 6-inch kit under it. I know they wrote it down on our paperwork when we checked it at the shop. Vent visors, bed cover, clean body. Again, it's really hard when you do a Toyota to get the proper lift set up and tires that don't rub. This truck does not rub. I was in a parking lot. Clears just like it's supposed to. Again, we've been over to lift, done a torque and tighten and grease process that we do on all of our trucks, whether we install the kit or not. Bed cover, factory, I guess, whatever they put on the coating. It might be a spray liner. Bed mat. Has the aux port right there for your power. Trifold bed cover, rear view camera. Tinted windows. Folding steps. Big floor mats. Big stereo. Keyless remote entry. Push to start on this model. Even has heated seats, which is crazy for cloth, but it does have heated seats. Very well equipped truck, clean interior, no funny odors. And again, run down the highway just like it should. Take your hand off the steering wheel. Steering wheel straight, tires are balanced. Nice Tacoma. So if you're looking for a Toyota Tacoma, this one is sitting here, ready to go. Priced right compared to the market. Even the stock ones are bringing close to this kind of money, and this one's got some nice accessories. Lift wheels and tires, and as you can see, this stuff is fresh. Not half tread, not 3/4 tread, everything is full tread and ready to go. Check this one out and plenty of others in stock. DavisAutoSales.com, DavisFour4.com, or drop in and check out the parking lot. Trucks galore.